Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the screen replacement on your MacBook A2992, gather the following tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Having these tools ready will streamline the process. First, power off your MacBook and disconnect the charger. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any accidental damage. Once it's powered down, use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the 10 screws on the bottom casing. Keep these screws organized, as they will be reinserted later. Next, gently lift the bottom casing using the plastic spudger. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. Once the casing is removed, you'll see the internal components of your MacBook. If you're unsure about any part of this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Now, locate the battery connector. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure no power runs through the device while you work on it. This is a critical step to avoid any electrical hazards. After disconnecting the battery, focus on the screen assembly. Use the suction cup to gently pull the screen away from the body of the laptop. Be cautious as there are cables attached that need to be handled delicately. If you find that this step is challenging, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you can avoid the hassle of traveling. Once the screen is slightly lifted, identify the display cables. Use the plastic spudger to carefully disconnect these cables. Take note of their placement, as you will need to reconnect them to the new screen later. If you're concerned about this, you can always reach out to us for a quote before repair. With the cables disconnected, you can fully remove the broken screen. Place your new screen in position and reconnect the display cables, ensuring they are securely fastened. Now, gently press the screen back into place. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with compressed air. Dust can accumulate and affect performance, so this step ensures your MacBook runs smoothly after the repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to assist you with any questions you may have during this process. After cleaning, replace the battery connector and secure it with the T5 screws. Now, it's time to put the bottom casing back on. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the 10 P5 screws to secure the casing. Power on your MacBook and check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the screen on your MacBook A2992. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance or consider our professional services for any repairs you might need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.